Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Joy and you're watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install iPhone apps with your Touch ID. It's a very simple process, but if you don't know how to get this on your devices, then watch this full video and after that you will all know how to get it. Once you are trying to install any app from your ISO Play Store and it's required the password every time and you don't want to this option on your ISO devices, appears on screen. You can see when you try to install it, it's required the password. But if you don't want this option on your devices and want a touch ID with verification, just go back, open your settings, scroll it down until you see the option touch ID and passcode. Just tap on it, enter your passcode. After that appears on screen, you can see first you should enable your fingerprint, just adding a fingerprint. After adding your fingerprint, just enable the option iTunes and apps. One time password required to activate this option. After that, enable all these settings. Now go back, again tap at settings, again open your profile. Now just tap at media and purchases, tap at password settings. Now appears on screen the option required password, just tap off and tap at the required after 15 minutes and tap at done. Like this, you can easily turn on the Touch ID at your iPhone devices for your App Store applications. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and definitely subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.